your girl says, I'll be smacking y'all. Jump around and got y'all excited. What I really want y'all to do is but y'all do that. The big boss go, yeah, I had to do that. I keep the blue flag hanging on my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the grip side. There ain't no other way to play the game the way I play. I cuss so much, he thought I was a DJ. Get one, get three. I'm S-N, double O-P, double C. I can't make it, just break it, see one, I take it. See, I specialize in making all the girls get naked. So bring your friends, all of y'all come inside. We got a world premiere right here, now get live. That don't change the diesel, turn it up a little. I got a living room full of fine non-frizzle. Swinging on the pizzle, the diesel, and the sizzle. Cheese to the biz, and now ladies, here we get some with the beats in the crib, ma. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, walk it like it's hot, walk it like it's hot, walk it like it's hot. If a nigga get an attitude, walk it like it's hot. Somebody sing this shit. I got your rollie on my arm, and I'm going Sean. I'm a bad boy with a lot of hoes. Drive my own cars with my own clothes. I hang out tough, I'm a real boss. Big Snoop Dogg, yeah, he's so sharp. I'm on the TV screen and in the magazines. Now if you really close, you wanna win me. Oh, you got a gun, so you wanna pop back. Hey, 47 now, nigga, stop that. See their shoes, I'm on the move. Your family's crying and now you on the news. They can't find you and now they miss you. Must I remind you, I'm only here to twist you. Pistol when you dip, use the clip, you the dance to the motherfucker, do we crack you. Just try, nigga, get your issue. Lady, the front, let me see how you get through with the pips in the crib, ma. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. I'm the pigs trying to get at you. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. But nigga get an attitude. Yeah, yeah. I got your rollie on my arm and do anybody know my name? You gotta sing that shit louder. What's my motherfucking name? You know what? I like the way y'all said my name. Let's do that shit one more time. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. First of all, I need everybody to sing that shit. And second of all, I need all y'all to do the dance I'm doing called the surfboard. Just like this. 1, 2, 3. Almost. I can't hear y'all in the back. I need to hear everybody. Everybody gotta do this shit. 1, 2, 3. Now that's what the fuck I'm talking about. You know what? I like the way y'all said my name, but I kind of like want y'all to say my name a little something like this. Everybody get up! Go! 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 What's my motherfucking name? to the rock, Snoop Doggy Dog, funky and gunned up. I went sober on the hands, but it's still the same. Long Beach in the spot where I serve my name. Follow me, but don't lose your grip. 9 tippings to get here for me to fuck up shit. So I ain't holding nuts back. And motherfucker, I got slide on a 20 set. It's like that, as a matter of fact. Because I never hesitate to put a nigga on his back. What's my motherfucking name? Yeah. Ta 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 da. Ta ta. It's the mouth to the wild when I'm creeping and call me Yiggy y'all. It's Snoop Doggy. I'm in the motherfucking house like every day, and I'm right back up in the with Dr. Dre. And like I said, you niggas came, cause you niggas came. Shit that I drop, cause you know it don't stop. It's the 187 on the motherfucking top. Tick-tock, I'm gonna knock just some nuts in the. You know I'm robbing motherfuckers, and I get the blood out, and I step through the, and I creep through the, cause I'm Snoop Doggy. What's my motherfucking name? What's my motherfucking name? Did somebody say wow, 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 yippee yo, yippee yay? Everybody say wow, 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 yippee yo, yippee yay! Now just wave your hands in the motherfucking air. Now wave the motherfuckers like it just jumped. Hell yeah. Now roll up the dank and pour the drink and watch it stain. The doggies on the gas, my bank goes on swole. My shit's on hit legit and now I'm on parole. Slow. I got the dog pound right behind me and up in your bitch that's swinging, man. You know I'm making that G-bang. She want the nigga with the biggest. Now guess what? Hey, he is I am him. Slim with the silky real. What's my motherfucking name?